Before we dive into the loudest sound in human history, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. Picture this, you're at a metal concert, the amps are cranked, your ears are ringing, but that's nothing compared to what we're discussing today, or perhaps it's 3 a.m. and a baby's wailing has jolted you awake. Again, a mere whisper in comparison. So, buckle up, earplugs optional. Now that we've set the stage, let's turn the volume up to 11 and get into it. Picture this, it's 1883 and you're just chilling on an island in Indonesia. Little do you know, you're about to witness history. Imagine being a bird, perched in the lush greenery of Krakatoa, enjoying the tropical island breeze. Suddenly the ground beneath you starts to shake. The trees sway, the sky darkens, and then like an angry landlord, the volcano decides to evict everything in its path. Krakatoa, the once serene island, transforms into a fiery fury, blowing its top with a force that's anything but ordinary. The eruption was so intense that it tore the island apart, literally. But Krakatoa wasn't done yet. It decided to throw a sound party, the likes of which the world had never seen, or rather heard before. It was a boom that put every other boom to shame. The eardrum-busting, ground-shaking, glass-shattering kind of boom. Imagine the loudest rock concert you've ever been to. Multiply that a few thousand times and you're still not even close. This was a sound that traveled around the globe. Not once, not twice, but 4 times. It was a sound so loud that it caused sailors nearly 50 miles away to go temporarily deaf. So, the volcano goes boom. Big deal, right? Well, my friend, this was no ordinary boom. Now I know you're thinking, what made this sound so loud? Well, put on your lab coats, folks, we're about to get scientific. Let's start with the eruption. Picture the energy of a high school chemistry experiment, then multiply it by 1,000,000. Actually, make that 1,000,000,000. That's the kind of energy we're talking about here. This massive burst of energy created a sound wave that was so powerful it could travel around the world. Now you might be wondering, how did this sound travel so far? The answer lies in the atmospheric conditions at the time. The explosion created a pressure wave that traveled at the speed of sound. This wave could bounce between the Earth and the atmosphere, essentially circumnavigating the globe. Think of it like an echo in a canyon. But instead of bouncing off of canyon walls, the sound was bouncing off the earth and sky. And just like how a pebble in a pond creates ripples that move outward, the sound wave from the eruption spread around the world. You see, sound isn't just about what we hear. It's a physical phenomenon, a vibration that travels through the air or another medium. And in this case, the medium was our very own planet. And there you have it, folks, the loudest sound in history. It makes your neighbor's lawnmower at 7 a.m. sound like a lullaby, doesn't it?